If you searched how to buy shares of Enphase Energy Inc, that's ENPH on NASDAQ, Enphase builds solar energy products, notably microinverters for residential and commercial systems. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy ENPH, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you'll typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ENPH to find Enphase Energy Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see a brief company description and a price chart showing recent movements. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker ENPH to confirm this is the right stock. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to spend and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued for the next open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After confirmation, your ENPH position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform referenced in this demo.